students, here is given two pictures. The waste segregation method adopted by two neighbors, Ramesh and Suresh, are shown here in the form of pie chart. Study the pie chart carefully and answer the following question. Dear children, you have to know about this chart. The waste disposed by Ramesh. What is here? You see the waste disposed by Ramesh. See here, this is metal waste, paper waste, kitchen and plastic waste. At your home also, the substance that are not used, that are called waste material, and especially it is thrown in the dustbin. So you will find minutely that must be there metal waste, kitchen waste, it means the vegetable peels and the fruits waste, so many waste plastic bags that are in the kitchen waste, and paper waste also. We are purchasing the things these days, the shopkeeper gives us the paper bag, so that paper waste material is collected, so it is segregated by Ramesh. How you see? Now you have to see the waste disposed by Suresh. What you see here? See that it is segregated. Metal waste, kitchen waste separately, paper waste separately, plastic waste separately. So what is the difference between the Ramesh and the Suresh, the waste disposed of? It means in case of Suresh, he segregated kitchen waste and plastic waste separately. But in the case of Ramesh, the kitchen waste and the plastic waste, that is in the same dustbin. It means that is mixed here. So this is not good. Why? Children, you should know that the wastes are recycled. It means when we throw the paper waste, this paper waste is collected and mixed with chemicals, and it is recycled to form a thick sheet of the paper. So that is used for many purposes, used for making the bag and so many things. And children, one thing also I am saying to you, that this paper waste is also used. It is sometimes you will find that sometimes you will find that clay modeling, it means the clay is containing the soil, but paper waste at the rotten stage. It is mixed with the small amount of clay, small amount of chemicals, that is not decaying the paper, and it is used for making toys. It means the paper waste is also used for various purposes, not only for making the paper bag also, but various toys that is formed by waste paper, and that is known as clay modeling. You have done in co-curricular activity, that is clay modeling. Okay. Now next is metal waste. See here, this is metal waste. What are the metals? You know very well, that is iron pins, like small sheets of the copper, aluminum wire, these small sheets of thin sheets of the tin, these are metals. Metals are melted at high temperature. Children know that metals are collected separately. If there is iron, then iron is collected separately. There is aluminum wire is collected separately. If there is copper wire, then copper wire is separated. Now after segregation, the metal waste is melted at high temperature. So again it forms the sheet or wire, or for making the various things that are used after the recycling. So sometimes you will find the waste were disposed of surrounding you. You will find that the small children, those who are collecting the waste product, they are picking up the materials. It means they are separating the metal waste, paper waste, kitchen waste, plastic waste separately. They are keeping in their bag. Okay. So in this way you should know, children, that how we should throw the kitchen waste. Clear? Now see here that kitchen waste and plastic waste also, that should be thrown separately, because kitchen waste is the bioproduct, biological product of the living things. It is decomposed by the microorganism, and it is used as fertilizer, and that is growth for the healthy growth for the plant. But you will see here, plastic waste, plastics are collected separately. They are also melted and again recycled. It means plastic also recycled to form another plastic bags, baskets, containers, that are buckets, tubs, that are also made by the waste material of plastic after melting. Okay. So what is the use of the kitchen waste? Kitchen waste, like tea leaves. If anybody is throwing the tea leaves after making the tea, that is not good. It is very useful for the growth of the plant. So among kitchen waste, we should keep the waste material inside the small container or big container. After 1 or 2 months, it is converted into the manure fertilizer, because it is decomposed by the microorganism. Clear? So, how it is useful for us, you have seen clearly. And plastic bags are also, it is recycled, because our environment is containing the plastic in the soil, that is harmful for the plants. How? The life of plastic, dear children, is about 100 years. And if it is present in the soil will be infertile. Sometimes you will find that animals moving beside the road, they are also eating the waste material, and if they eat the plastics like cow, what will happen? The intestine of the cow, that is choked and that swells, and animals may lead to death. So this way you can see here how it is harmful. So children, you are the science student, you have to be very aware towards the environment, because your first chapter is save environment or environment knowledge you have to know. So surrounding you, at your home also, if you are throwing collectively at one place the waste material, that you should also segregate. You can aware your society that you should throw plastic waste separately, paper waste separately, kitchen waste separately, metal waste separately, so that we can save our environment. If the environment will be pure, then what will happen? Then how? Because the plants, these days you are watching what is in the news. It means oxygen is necessary for our body. So planting more and more trees, we can get oxygen properly. Okay? So now you see here the question. Name the two items of the waste disposed of by Ramesh that needs to be separated from one another. What you have to write? What is the need of separation by Ramesh? See here. Kitchen waste and plastic waste, that is collectively, that should be separated, segregated properly. Okay? Now, second is identify the biodegradable material disposed of by Suresh. Now see, in the case of Suresh, biodegradable, what I told you about the biodegradable, the word bio means that is made by the living things. So kitchen waste must be biodegradable. Paper is also made by the plants. So paper is also biodegradable. So you can write here about that, the second answer. Third is, of the two, who according to you is more eco-friendly and why? Now this is very clear. Suresh has segregated the waste materials properly, but Ramesh has not. It means, who is the best for eco-friendly? That is done by Suresh. Now children, you have to make this, note down in your notebook and write down properly the question and answer. Thank you to all of you.